Step 1 says let's rearrange and isolate the root x, or the radical. So here we're going to subtract 6 from both sides to begin with. So I have x minus 3. The square root of x minus 3 equals a negative 1. Step 2. Well, hold on. Before we get to step 2, what do you notice right here? This tells me that I can't have the square root of anything equaling a negative 1. So it tells me that my problem is really kind of over. There is no solution. But let's continue on to show why, or maybe to give proof that there's no solution. So knowing that we have that in the back of our head, let's go on. So let's continue. Let's raise both sides to appropriate power. Since they're square roots, we're going to square both sides. The left side becomes x minus 3. The right side becomes 1. And solve x equals 4. Let's check our solutions here and to see if we get a solution or a check. So x was 4. Let's put 4 in for x. Minus a 3 plus a 6 equals 5. This becomes root 1 plus 6 equals 5. Root 1 is 1, so 1 plus 6 equals 5. Willie, I think you're right. I get to some statement that's untrue, that's false. 7 equals 5? No, 7 doesn't equal 5. So therefore, 4 is not a solution. It's an extraneous solution. Means that the solution was introduced throughout the problem, but it does not check with our original equation. So what's the overall solution to this particular equation? It's the empty set. There is no solution to this original radical equation.